Find out what is happening at the library, from virtual programming to fun new services. Hear recommendations on books, movies, TV shows, and so much more. This is In the Stacks at Mustang Library. Hello and welcome to In the Stacks. Scottsdale Public Library is launching a library card campaign from September 1st to November 30th. Help us hit our goal for 2,000 new cards. There will be fun surprises along the way for library card holders, so make sure everyone in your household has a library card. Do you need to get a library card? A Scottsdale Public Library card is free for all Maricopa County residents. You can go to any of our 4 library locations to get your card, or you can sign up for a card online. Visit our website for more details. Plus, stay tuned for a tutorial on how you can easily sign up for a library card on our website.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Scottsdale Public Library. Today we're going to show you how to get your very own library card just by filling out a short form on our website. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to our homepage at scottsdalelibrary.org. And we're going to be looking on the blue tab up near the top, and we're going to be looking at the library card section. And if you click on that downward arrow, one of the options is get a library card. So let's go ahead and click on that, and that will bring us to the library card page. And this will tell you a little bit about our library cards and what they can offer you. So let's go ahead and sign up for a library card online. And this will bring you to a short form that you need to fill out in its entirety. Now, along with this, you will be required to submit 2 pieces of information. The first one is a copy of a utility bill that shows your Maricopa County address on the form, and it needs to be dated within the last 90 days. Now, if you don't have a utility bill in your name, that is fine. As long as the service address matches the address that you're putting on the form, we will accept it. The second piece of information is a postmarked piece of mail, and that also needs to be recent, and it needs to clearly show your name and your Maricopa County address and a postmark. So those are the 2 pieces that you will be required to submit. We do not accept scans or pictures of a driver's license as proof of address. So let's go ahead and fill out this form. And we're going to put in our street address. And our city, state, our zip code, and our birth date. And a good email address. And a phone number. And the next item here is where you would like to pick up your branch holds. Every one of our branches is listed here, as well as the drive-through pickup locations. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose Mustang Library. And the next bit of information that is required is proof of address. So I've already uploaded 2 pieces of proof of address. So let's go ahead and grab them. I'm going to hit the upload button, and I'm going to find the file for my APS bill. There it is. I'm just going to click on that and attach it. And then I'm going to page down, and I'm going to click on the second upload button, and I'm going to look for my postmarked piece of mail. I'm going to attach that one as well. And that's all there is to it. You just want to hit the submit button, and then this will tell you that it does take 24 hours to process a new card request. And along with that, you will get an email showing your new library card number along with your PIN number. Your physical card will follow in the mail. And that's all there is to it. Now, this form is specifically for adults only. If you are looking to apply for a youth or a minor card, you still need to go into a branch location to do that. So welcome to Scottsdale Public Library and all that the library has to offer. Thanks for joining me today and have a great day.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, Community Engagement and Outreach Coordinator with the Scottsdale Public Library. Our library remains focused on providing services to everyone in the community, including those with disabilities. One such way is through our home delivery service program, intended to serve those who are physically unable to visit the library, confined to home for more than 60 days, and live in a non-driving household. Patrons who fit this criteria are invited to apply, and once accepted into the program, the library will check out books based on your book preferences and deliver them to your home once a month. If interested, please visit our website www.scottsdalelibrary.org/services/accessibility-services or call the call center at 480-312-7323 for more assistance. Thanks.
And now it's time for a book review.
This week's Goodreads staff review is one of the most popular and most checked out books in recent years. Where the Crawdads Sing by Delia Owens was hand-selected by Reese Witherspoon for her book club in 2018 and has since been checked out over 1,000 times at our library. Reese Witherspoon's production company, Hello Sunshine, is in the pre-production stage of bringing the story to the big screen. Daisy Edgar Jones has been selected to star in the leading role. Daisy is not a stranger to book-to-movie adaptations and starred in the Hulu original adaptation of Sally Rooney's 2018 novel, Normal People, which released this year. If you have not already read Where the Crawdads Sing, I highly recommend picking up a copy before the movie comes out. Now let's see what a Scottsdale Public Library staff member has to say about Where the Crawdads Sing. Kathy says, quote, Delia Owens is an award-winning nonfiction writer and co-author of 3 internationally best-selling nonfiction books, Cry of the Kalahari, The Eye of the Elephant, and Secrets of the Savannah. Her first novel, Where the Crawdads Sing, is simply beautiful. Kaya, the main character, is believable in an untenable situation and someone you can't help rooting for. This is a story about bullying, prejudice, heartbreak, loneliness, and the power of kindness. It's about family baggage, living in harmony with the natural world, and ultimately about resilience. This book has romance and mystery and so many twists and turns. I don't want to give away any details that would spoil the surprises. Lush descriptions of the marshland of coastal North Carolina ground it all perfectly. The beauty and truth of Where the Crawdads Sing are guaranteed to remain with you long after you finished it. End quote. Like me, you may have already read and loved this book. If you are looking for a read-alike, I have a wonderful recommendation for you. My Absolute Darling by debut author Gabrielle Talent was published in 2017 and has a similar theme and feel to Where the Crawdads Sing. Staff member Lisanne has this to say about My Absolute Darling. Quote, there are books you read which will never leave you. My Absolute Darling is one of those books. The horror of Turtle Alveston's reality plays a sharp contrast to the beauty of her surroundings. Gabrielle Talent is appropriately named, as his descriptions of the unique flora and fauna of the Mendocino, California area is quite impressive from a debut author. The natural landscape itself becomes a character, with the vivid conjuring Talent's imagery evokes. Turtle knows this natural world well. She is isolated from the rest of society with her father and the bizarre world of survivalism he has created in their small cabin in the woods, where a black widow lives in the bathtub and the windowsill is covered in mushrooms. Turtle is a fascinating character among the other depictions of small-town Northern Californians, the hippie mom, the precocious well-read high schoolers, the paranoid isolationist, and the surfing teacher. Turtle's experience is harrowing and immensely heartbreaking, and you root for her long after the last page. End quote. Find these staff reviews and more on the Scottsdale Public Library Goodreads page. You can find these titles in our library catalog at scottsdalelibrary.org. Thanks for watching.